Hey, welcome back. We're going to go ahead and start cooking up the frosting, and this is going to be a two-parter because we kind of had a technical issue. So this is part two of the Ding Dong cake, and what I'm doing now is making the cream frosting that's going to go in the center of the Ding Dong cake. So what I've done is I have put a cup of the monk fruit and 2 tablespoons of arrowroot in a pan, and I am heating that and whisking it until it kind of gets a little melty here, and then we'll add some milk to it, let it thicken. This recipe we're doing, like I said earlier, is a little complicated, so we have to do a lot of stages with it because you got to cool things before you can do the next part. So that's why we're trying to go ahead and get this cooked up first. So I'm just going to, after I get this cooked, is go ahead and put the milk in there and stir it, and this will get nice and thick. I don't think you need to watch me stir this pot. So I'll let you know when we get to the final product of it so you can see what it's going to look like, okay? Alright guys, so I'm coming back, and this is the cooled mixture. So we put it in the refrigerator so it'll cool a little quicker. I've got 2 sticks of butter in here, so I'm going to combine those together. And then we're going to whip it, and according to Barb, this is her recipe. It takes a little while for the whipping process, so we will not put you through that ordeal. And the arrowroot, you'll find it makes it a little bit more of a gummier situation. So I'm having a little trouble with it. Okay. Alright, and then we're going to put just a little bit of salt in here. Not a whole lot though. Okay, and then we're going to start whipping. And we'll be back with the finished product. Alright guys, we're back. We've got the one whipped up. That's going to be the center. And then what I've done is I've done a cup of whipping cream and then a package of the Chalk Zero dark chocolate chips. And I'm going to melt that together, and that's going to make our ganache that we're going to put on the top of it. So once we get all this melted and ready, we're going to assemble this cake, and we're going to come back and we're going to show you the finished product. Okay guys, here is the finished product. Can't say it, product. And our taste tester says it meets the thumbs up for cooking with Connie. So, I will tell you that in the center we use that one icing that I've got you, but another option you might want to do is to do 8-ounce package of cream cheese and a pint of your whipping cream, and then put about 1/4 of a cup of your monk sweet in there, and then a little bit of vanilla. Whip that up, and you can have a whipped topping in the middle. So that would be another alternative for what we did here. We're kind of sliding a little bit because we're still a little bit warm. Kind of doing this in a hurry. But anyway, here is the Ding Dong cake. Remember to like, share, subscribe. We're trying to get those subscribers to 200 so we can give away that grand prize. And remember, make good choices.